You can lost my time here.
So we rent a manual car for today. So I have been out for the past few days and I was just so busy buying stuff for my room, and I finally got the stuff that I want, like all the households and some essentials that I want. And also I bought a ukulele. I can actually connect to my MacBook and like make songs, so hopefully for my future vlogs I can actually make my own music, because that's what I'm trying to do. So let's unbox together. Okay, so yeah, this is gonna mark like a memory for me, because this is my first instrument. Yeah, it's really bright compared to my Malaysia one. My Malaysia one was only like 50 ringgit, I think. Okay, and this one is the fish pie. We just like coat it with egg yolk, but a lot of cheese like Tabasco, chili pepper, and so this one. So this is my room. I got this one. This is a shoe rack that I got from IKEA, and here's a little toilet. It's a little bit messy because yeah, but I got a lot of like organizer, yeah, and a pail. And then I got this one for me to hang my towel. Then I got my laundry bag. Then here's a heater mixed fan that I got from Harvey Norman. This vacuum that I got from Tesco, and this one I bought this one because you can actually pull it out, so it's quite convenient. And also because there's a heater here, so when you want to dry your stuff you can dry here. And this is my bed. It's a double size bed. Then at the bottom there are like 5 boxes. It's actually empty, but I bought the box that I measured from IKEA. And yeah, and there's like storage here. Yeah, storages. And then here I got this one on my own. I got it from IKEA. Yeah. And then this is the study table that we have. And this is the storage that we have. Store stuff. This is my little area. Yeah. All these pictures, my dog. I miss him so much. And then the candle. Yeah. And this is the view.
Okay, sure. I put the lady over there.
I don't like it because it's too cheesy. Like it tastes like milk to me. Oh my god, I cannot. It's too milky, and I don't like milk, so it's not my thing. They're really nice. Oh my god. So what's this called?
Egg tartar.
Egg tartar?
This is a
Egg tartar.
spaghetti.
You know what it tastes like? It tastes like sashimi. This is raw, right?
Resuming workout.
So we're in the San Stephen Green and we're jogging from here back to my accommodation. So I ordered this dumpling from Xi'an. It's so oily. Okay lah.
Say hi.
We're in a Malaysian restaurant and
Okay.
all the food is overpriced.
Oh shit, I just said so wrong. Oops. Okay, never mind.
As far as I heard.
So we had like TV session together and we're going back. He was so drunk. Freak man. Okay, goodbye. Guys, this is so funny. So like I went to my friend's house to like have fun, like a party or something. And then I took the wrong train. So we're late. I'm trying to get out, but we can't, bro. This is such an adventure, guys. So we are lost. Oh my gosh, we're going further away. Further and further away. And it's like pretty empty though. Look, it's pretty empty. Jeez. Guys, it's actually so funny because we saw the tram coming and then we were like, quick, we're gonna like get into that tram before it closes. So we ran all the way there. And then who knows? We got into the wrong tram. Oh my gosh, so that was crazy. One lesson that I learned from this is that be careful and be patient, guys. So yeah. Goodbye. So now we're walking back. Isn't it that direction? Hi guys, so I just got back to my accommodation. It's currently like 1:30. Yeah, and I literally just sit like next to the heater just so I get the heat. Hey guys, good morning. I just woke up and it's currently 8:40 plus and I'm gonna do this IRP thing. It's called Irish Residence Permit or something, and it's so hard to get an appointment. So like I'm just gonna try to like fight for it starting from 8:40 plus. Yeah, that's what my senior says because it opens at like 9. So you have to do it just like fighting for a ticket like that and like keep on refreshing. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to do it. Let me show you guys. It's basically like a visa because Malaysian don't need visa to come to Ireland, but then once you're in Ireland you need to have this permit. Yeah, it's so slow. Like a few days ago I tried doing it, yeah, and it blocked me. So a few days ago I tried doing it and it blocked me as well because I refreshed way too many times, and I think it's because the appointment is full already, like for a day itself. So I'm gonna try today. I just hope I get it. Yeah, it's so hard. Gee. So we got our ice cream. Pimples.
I think this is ribs.
Yeah, these are ribs from her mom. And this is the pizza that we got from Tesco, I think. Yeah, so let's try. Is it nice?
Not bad.
I think he likes everything so.
Have you tried pizza?
Yeah, I tried.
Yeah.
I have never had this before. It was my first
It's the apple juice.
dry cider. The cider tastes like beer. Oh my gosh, yeah. I don't think it's around to eat.
Look at this chili pie.
Yeah.
It's a lot better than the ones in Malaysia.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was really cold. Kind of nice. Apparently, my friends say we can actually run in the cold weather if we're not used to it. It's bad for our lungs, so remember to wear a mask if you're running in a cold country for the first time. Yeah, because my mask was literally wet.
Lift going up.
And I'm not really